David?
Yeah, Frank and Meg, as a parent, you're naturally going to want to go after each person sending your son or daughter's nude picture around cyberspace. But here's the problem. The initial sender, your child, is also breaking the law.
If I'm a young man or a young woman and ask for a nude picture of a boy or a girl, I'm soliciting child pornography. And if that person sends it, they're guilty of distribution of child pornography.
Don Koski is a school resource officer and expert on this subject. He sat down with me tonight. He speaks to parents, teachers, and students about how this is running rampant in schools across the country. He says parents need to understand what can happen when they give their child a cell phone. He says for every individual underage picture that's sent or in possession, it's a 4-year felony. And forensics experts are now saying photos can be retrieved from smartphones and other devices even after they're deleted. He says teenagers don't realize the lifelong consequences that come with sending a pic.
They don't know the laws that they're breaking. They're committing felonies. And if you're prosecuted for this, now you're a registered sex offender. Now, how would you like to come out of high school with that title? Who's going to hire you?
Now, he told me tonight 8th and 9th graders are the most common offenders. So as a parent, what do you need to do? Well, you need to talk about the consequences. Tell your children they could end up in jail for sending a nude picture, whether it's of themselves or someone else. Go through your child's phone and do it often. And lastly, Koski told me if someone sends them a photo, tell them to delete it immediately. It's not against the law to receive and delete.